intro to put in my video. This is like the 4th intro I've done. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kay. If you're new here, subscribe, and if you've been here a few years back when I first created this channel, welcome back. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me / come with me to my appointments video. I do have a few appointments coming up starting Friday. Don't mind how I look right now, which is why you guys are going to be coming with me to my appointments. You know, your girl's gonna look like a baddie. And then also at the end of this video, you guys are gonna be coming with me on a date. So me and my friend is going on a date, and I just feel like dates are really like necessary. It just make you feel good to like dress up, go out with your friends. So me and my friend decided that we wanted to go on a date, which is why I'm getting my hair done, nails done, etc. Yeah, I'm really excited to start this new journey. I'm really gonna try to be consistent because I'm distracted easily and my mind is easily thrown off. So I'm really gonna like try my best to be consistent. I'm gonna try to upload for now at least once, 2 to 3 times every 2 weeks. I feel like that's fair enough until like I really get used to the camera. That way I can start like posting more frequently. Enough of me talking, guys. I'm gonna see you guys on Friday. Hi guys, so today's Friday. It is currently 8:09 and I'm on my way to my lash appointment. I might be running late. Let me text her. It's 8:10 now. My lash appointment is at 8:30. It takes me about 20-30 minutes to get there. So I'm just ordering my Uber. I'm so tired. I just got off of work. I look a mess. Oh, your girl is ready to look like a baddie. Tomorrow, I don't know if I should do a makeup tutorial. Should I? So I'm kind of in a rush right now, so I'm just gonna vlog a little bit until I get in the car. I might speak to you guys a little bit more. Then if not, I'll just see you at my lash appointment. Bye. Show you a little bit or not? It's gonna be a quick get, yeah, a fast motion. So I just left. Oh wait. So I just left my lash appointment. I'm so excited, guys. I'm feeling myself. I haven't got my lashes done in so long, and I feel like this length is like perfect. Man, oh my god. I don't know if it's up. See you guys tomorrow. I'm real tired. I'm about to go home, get in the shower, go to sleep. So I see you guys tomorrow. Bye. It's currently 11:59. I'm about to head out. Actually just got out the shower. I'm so tired. What nail style should I get? I don't know. Ooh, I'm too close. So I have a hair appointment at 3 o'clock. I get there on time because I'm always running late to some appointment. I don't know which color to get, guys. I'm feeling this pink right here. The 726. Or should I? Nah, I can't do white because my hair's are white. You know you've been phoning me. Bring your own spot +3. You don't like to get told what to do, but you like it when I put you on a leash. On the floors for me, on the floor for me. Practice scratching walls, parkour for me. Every night I did it right. I'ma bring you on tour with me. So I just left the nail salon. I actually love my nails. I'm on my way to my hair appointment. It's 2:50 right now. My hair appointment is at 3 o'clock, so I'm running extremely late. Text her and told her that I'm running late. She said I have a 15-minute grace period, so hopefully I get there within those 15 minutes. But my Uber ride says 30 minutes. I already told my Uber driver that I'm in a rush, so hopefully he could get me there in time. Obviously not in time, but within that 15 minutes. See what my friend is doing. Hopefully you get there for her, guys. Let's see what she's up to. The last time we spoke, she told me that she was at Ulta Beauty getting makeup. Say hi to the camera.
Hey.
Why you not them vloggers that be talking like, so y'all, she's...
I might do a voiceover though. That's how I found you.
What?
I actually found you on
TikTok when I did that voiceover.
I'm like, and
I
then
need
you
to get
said
back.
you was in New York. I'm like, oh shit.
Live.
Thank you.
If y'all not booking lace $5. I don't know what you're really doing. Can I borrow this real?
I'm currently back home. I actually forgot to pull out my camera while I was doing my makeup. I was like, ugh. And now I'm in the process of doing my makeup. I'm just letting it sit right now. I'm definitely gonna give y'all a makeup tutorial. Maybe that might be my next video. I'm not too sure yet, but so far the makeup is coming out good. Actually about to blend this in. And then after blending, I'm gonna set it. And I'm actually our reservation. I just feel like I haven't been on time to any appointment. My hair appointment, I was late. And now for the reservation, it was at 8:30 and I had to call to push it back to 9:30 because I'm not gonna make it. Today has just been really overwhelming. That's how my makeup looks so far. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. So my makeup is done, guys. One thing about me, I'm gonna beat my face every time, like, and it always gives. But yeah, this is how you go. First of all, I'm gonna need y'all to like go back like a good 10 minutes of this video and look at the difference. Like, this is how you go from a bum to a bad bitch. And this is my outfit. I got this top from Zara. I forgot how much this top was. I think it was like a good $30, 35, no more than $35. I got these jeans also to go with it. I know the color is a little off, but honestly, I don't care. My Prada bag. And I have these glasses to go with my outfit. Actually, let me try one out. Ooh, these glasses give. Hold on, I think it's crooked. Yes, I'm really feeling these glasses. Like, fortunately I can't take pictures on my phone, but I'll be taking pictures on my camera. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for my friend. Let me text her and tell her that I'm ready because we're running late. 1, 2, we have 30 minutes to get there. Waiting for her, but I'm actually closer to the restaurant than her. She's coming from the Bronx. The restaurant is downtown. You got crooked. So we're going to Philippe. Philippe Chow, that's downtown. I personally never had it before, but I always wanted to try it. Then after, we're going to Lagos. If you're from New York, you know what Lagos is. It's like a Nigerian Caribbean spot, and we're actually only going there for a drink and some hookah. But yeah, let me take these glasses off now. I'm excited. Shout out to the girl that did my hair. She's always gonna do the damn thing. Like, this is the second time she slayed me like this. I actually tried to book her for my birthday, but like I said, I was just booking people last minute. Everybody was booked by the time I was getting my appointments in, but I definitely would have booked her for my birthday. Like, what fucking lace? Excuse my language. What lace? And this is Bundle House Code. Get you some Bundle House Code ASAP. Let me try to touch focus. All right. My back camera is blurry, but yo, I slayed the fuck out of my makeup. Like, and I'm not even a makeup artist, honestly, y'all. Like, I learned how to do my makeup like a good, it hasn't even been a year yet since I've been doing my makeup, and I'm gonna get it done every time, period. My outfit, I'm actually gonna pair it with some white heels. I'll show you guys that later because I'm not putting on my shoes right now. I might show you that. I might show you guys that when I get in the Uber or when I get out the Uber about to walk in the restaurant. I hate that I talk so fucking stupid, but yeah. For me talking, I'm going to see you guys when my friend comes. She's taking a pretty long time, so I might text her and tell her to hurry up because we got somewhere to be. But yeah, okay, bye.
My friend is finally here, guys. Haja. My friend is finally here. My sis looks so cute. So I just but I ordered the chicken sautés with shrimp fried rice and a light cheeseburger.
We just left Philippe's. Honestly, I really do not feel well. I haven't been feeling well all day. I had a headache, and it's like, while I was sitting there eating, everything just came like crashing down. I have a bad headache. I really didn't want to end my night early, but I feel like I'm gonna end my night early for the simple fact that I just don't feel well. We had reservations for some spot called Lagos, but honestly, I think we're gonna do that next week because, like I said, I don't feel well. I don't know what's wrong. Like, I'm going home, guys. I don't feel well.
That's what I like to do this shit.
I'm just ready to go home. So yeah, I think I'm going home now. And as y'all can see, I took off my my heels. I have on slippers now. See? And it's currently 11:29. I came outside about 8 o'clock. So I've been outside for quite a while now. But yeah, your girl is going home. Your girl don't feel well. She about to take 2 Tylenols and go the fuck to sleep.
I miss my friend.
I miss you more. What you wanted to do?
To both spots on the list.
Wait, what spot? Oh, home? I mean, we could do that. I actually enjoyed my food. The only thing I didn't like was the chicken satay. That shit was so fucking disgusting. Kind of figured it was gonna be disgusting though, because it said peanut butter sauce, peanut butter something, and anything peanut butter I don't like. I don't know why I ordered that. I just wanted to try it, and it tastes exactly how I thought it would. Disgusting. So I just had shrimp fried rice and my lychee martini. I'm not even drunk. Like, this night did not go how I thought it was gonna go. I thought I was gonna be drunk. I was gonna go home to my man. I was gonna text my man like, babe, come get me, I'm drunk. But now I'm going home. I'm going home. But yeah, I don't know when the next time I'm gonna turn on the camera. Hopefully this is the end of my video. If it is the end of my video, I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely have more videos coming. The next video might be a makeup tutorial, so stay tuned for that. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And if you reached the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate it.